Hello and good morning. This is Traders Club 24 and welcome to Friday, the 17th of February, and to our daily market opening trade here in the FTSE, the English stock index. One thing I would like you to inform you before we start, it's expiration day, options expiration day today, not only here in England, but also in Germany and America. So most of the times it proves to be a relatively calm trading day, especially on these days. What's more exciting though is what will happen on Monday when the exchanges are going to reopen again. That's more interesting day than the actual options expiry day. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to place our box. We do have a decent range, decent box of 8 points here in the FTSE, and we are going to place our lines. The pending line, I'm going to reduce that a little bit because we do have a bit of a spike here, which does not really count, and a sell pending order on the bottom of our box. So in total, we are operating here with a box of 6.7. So that's done, and then we are going to determine our risk for the first position. Let's start with 0.20, and the risk is 0.10. So usually it should be 2010. What's all about is, I mentioned it in my video yesterday, so when you choose to have these settings, 2010 or 3015, which is very popular among our club members, is that you only need to cover half of the box for your take profit. So in this case, when the box is 6 and 6.7, our take profit will be very close at just over 3 points to bring us out of the trade. So that's the idea behind this 2010 setting. All right, so that's done. I'm going to activate my orders, and I'll be back in 3 minutes at 9 a.m. CET once the market has opened. All right, so 9 a.m. CET, and we are short in our first trade. You can see here nicely that our pending order has been triggered. By the way, I minimized my SwissBox. And our take profit is here on the short side at a level of 7,270 points. So 6 minutes past 9, and we are in our second trade. So our buy pending order has just been triggered, and our take profit is now here at the blue line. Unfortunately, but didn't get out of the first trade. We just missed it by a couple points, 1-2 points, not much. So that's unfortunate, but that's happened. So let's see and wait whether we will shoot up, have a second impulse for our take profit on the long side. All right, 60 minutes past 9, and we're in our third trade. Again, the market has turned and we are short. So we touched the blue line. Now we need to earn our spread as well, and we should be out here at any moment. So while I'm closely following here the FTSE, obviously, I noticed a very sudden and major move in the euro yen as well. So let's quickly join the chart here. It has nothing to do with our SwissBox, but I just want to show you that move anyway. So within a couple of minutes, over 25-30 points almost. So not too bad. Closely followed by the euro dollar as well. So back here on the FTSE, or to the FTSE, I gotta say, and we are still fighting with our take profit. All right, 30 minutes after 9, so 9:30, and we are out of our trade, out of out of the third trade. Let me quickly join the trades here for you. So it took us approximately half an hour to get out of the trade, but at the end we get out with a nice profit gain of 0.10% on our accounts balance as well. So a bit volatile in the first half of trading hour, but that's it for me. We had a good week, great week. And yeah, I wish you all a good weekend, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye.